welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivian. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I'm going to be talking about or showing you how I do my everyday makeup, something I get asked often and especially more recently to kind of have that glowy natural look. This is it. I hope you like it. If you like it, keep watching. It's really simple. All right, so let's get started. Once my hair is up, I really love to spray my face with the Badescu spray. I just spray it on my face before doing anything. I usually put this on right after the shower. And then kind of let it sit there. Once the spray is kind of set and it's kind of dried, I'll go ahead and I'll put on my primer. So today I am going to be putting on foundation. Even if I'm not, I like to put on primer. This is the Laura Mercier foundation primer. And I'll put just a little amount, just like that. Once I put that on, I sometimes like to grab the First Aid priming moisturizer. This one has a tiny bit of a shimmer, so I honestly only put that much. It's so little. And I'll just mix it with my middle finger and I'll add it to the sides of my face right here. Okay, then I'll go ahead and I'll put my foundation on. I am using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, although my friend does have the dewy one and I really do like that one. I just kind of figured why not finish this bottle first and then go on to the next. So the shade I'm using is 320 Natural Tan. So I shake it. I'm using my beauty blender. This is damp, and yeah, I really like it damp. I use very little foundation. So next I like to add my Glossier, the Cloud Paint, and I have it in Puff. I will just put a little bit on my fingertip, about that much. I'll just give myself a smile so that I know that I'm putting it on the balls of my cheeks right here. I'll just do about 3. Oh. Maybe I'll take a little and put it on this one. Okay, and I'll use all 3 fingers in the middle to just pat around. I like to put this on before I put on my bronzer because the bronzer is just going to let the blush shine through, and then I'll add another blush on top. That is a little bit of color. I will take my bronzer, which I use the Too Faced Sun Bunny. Really like this one because it has 2 shades in it, which I never thought that I would like, but I really do like. And I will take my big brush, kind of dab it. I blow on it just so that I'm not like, I like to do up on my forehead, on the side. I bring it down on my jawline, kind of rub it all over. So once my face is bronzed like that, I will work on my eyebrows for a second. I'm using my Laura Mercier Brunette Brow Pencil. Also, I have never touched my eyebrows. I've never plucked them or anything. I mean, maybe in the middle right here, but the shape is the shape. Right now, I'm just gonna brush them up. I feel like bushy eyebrows are in right now, but I'm also not sure because sometimes I'll walk out of the room and my brother will be like, yo, what's going on with your eyebrows? And I'm like, what? You're making me second guess everything. But like Glossier and everyone, they all have bushy eyebrows. So I'm like, is it in or is it scaring people away? I don't know. Sometimes I just like to think that my brother has no idea, but that initial reaction, you know, when you're single and you're like, oh, crap, is this what everyone is thinking? I'll go ahead and I'll just try to brush in some spots to just darken it a little. Nothing crazy. I get really careful on the insides because my hair there is really thin and I definitely don't want it to be noticed that much that it's completely brushed in. And then I'll just do a quick brush up. All right. Then I will take my Glossier, my Boy Brow. I have it in the color brown. I'm pretty sure it's only like brown and black and blonde or something. I'll just take this and I will comb up. I'm really not combing into it. I'm more just laying this on. It kind of just makes sure that your eyebrows stay stable during the day, so you're not worried about them falling or anything like that. And it does add tint. I really have liked it. I bought this on Black Friday on the sale. So now my eyebrows, you can see they're like kind of all spiked up. So I'll go back and I'll take my brush and I'll just pat it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of blush on top of the blush that I already had. I have the Tarte Party. It literally says like party. I'll just go ahead and grab my bronzer brush that I already used. I'll pat it down, blow on it. I like rosy cheeks. I like looking alive and kind of flushed. Then I'll go ahead and I'll take my highlighter, which is the Laura Mercier Face Illuminator Powder. And just dab it on the side. I don't do any eye makeup. I kind of just keep that what it is. And then on top of that, I will just add NARS lip gloss, which is Turkish Delight. I love baby pinks on my lips. I've been using this lip gloss now for literally years, like since high school. So this is the final look. I hope you love it. It's really simple. If you have any questions, go ahead, comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it more than you know. All products are listed below with links. If you're interested in any of them, go ahead and click below. I hope you love it, and I can't wait to see you next time.